What's going on everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video we will be unboxing a completely new product. This is the Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro. So since I bought this online, I received this in this beautiful packaging, this bubble wrap here. Let's go ahead and unwrap it first. So as you can see, Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro. So I bought this online, so I don't know what that says. Looks like that's Arabic, so I don't know. Again, everything is Arabic, even on the side. So I got this from Amazim. So pretty standard packaging going on here. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. As you can see, pretty standard, the user manual, the user guide, whatever you want to say, quick start guide right there. This is the charger. It used to be a wireless charger for Gear S2 and Gear S3, and also we used to be able to plug this out. So it used to be a USB cable, a separate one, and then a dock. Looks like this is attached on this one. Let's have a look at the watch itself. This is the large watch band. So as you can see, it's quite long. That's obviously the back of the watch. As you can see, charging ports, two buttons on this side, a curved watch. Let's go ahead and boot it up. English Australia. So while I have that going on my watch, downloaded the Samsung Gear app on my phone. My phone has already detected the Gear Fit 2 Pro. The SmartThings app has already sent me a notification saying that a new Gear Fit 2 Pro has been detected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that notification there, allow all that for my Samsung Gear, and we'll see how it sets up. Yep, that's the one. Pairing is in process right now. Finally, it looks like it's done. We'll read just the two. Done. So it looks like it's finished setting up. If we have a look at the specs, finally, I have about 25% battery left. The storage is 4 gigabytes. Ooh, and I got the new software update, and there is 512 gigs of RAM. Just got a notification saying that there is a new Gear software, the firmware update available, so I will be installing that in a bit. Next up, let's go and have a look how you would charge this watch on its dock. So I can just pop it on, it clicks, there you go, it's charging now. Now the cool thing about this dock is you can have the watch on either side. So that side is good, and if I take it off, if I change the side, and if I go that way, then it's charging as well. That's pretty handy, so you don't have to think about it. You can just pop it on the dock and it'll start charging. That's been it. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon again in the next video.